Most K-12 teachers do not grade just one subject or one type of assignment. One day it might be a math worksheet, the next day an ELA essay, then a science lab, a diagram, a quiz, or a short answer response. That is the reality of classroom grading. The problem is that many grading workflows are still fragmented. Teachers often have to move between different tools, different rubrics, different file types, and different ways of giving feedback. That switching takes time. It also makes it harder to keep feedback consistent across subjects and assignments. That is why multi-subject grading matters. A useful AI grading workflow should not be limited to just essays, just quizzes, or just one subject area. It should support the way teachers actually teach. Math, ELA, science, social studies, worksheets, essays, short answers, rubrics, and handwritten work should all fit into one simple grading process. Take math, for example. A good grading workflow should not only check whether the final answer is right or wrong, it should help teachers look at the student's process. Did the student show the steps? Where did that misunderstanding happen? What kind of feedback would help them correct the mistake next time? In ELA, the challenge is different. Teachers are looking at thesis, evidence, organization, clarity, grammar, and depth of thinking. Students need more than a score. They need feedback that tells them what is working, what needs improvement, and what to do next. Science brings another layer. Students may submit diagrams, lab observations, explanations, or short responses. A strong grading workflow should help teachers evaluate accuracy, reasoning, vocabulary, and completeness. It should support the way students show scientific understanding, not force every assignment into the same format. The real benefit is consistency. When grading happens in one workflow, teachers can apply rubrics more clearly, give feedback in a more consistent tone, and understand patterns across the classroom. You are not just grading individual assignments. You are seeing what students need across subjects. And this is where grading becomes more useful for instruction. A multi-subject workflow can help teachers see class trends, which skills are strong, which students need support, are vocabulary gaps affecting science responses, are writing issues showing up in social studies explanations. These insights help teachers plan the next lesson, the next small group, or the next reteaching moment. But the teacher still stays in control. AI can help draft scores, organize feedback, and surface patterns. The teacher reviews, edits, approves, and decides what students actually receive. That is the kind of AI workflow that makes sense in education, not replacing teacher judgment, but giving teachers a better starting point. The workflow can be simple. Create the assignment, choose or customize the rubric, upload student work, review AI-assisted scoring and feedback, then use the analytics to plan what comes next. K-12 teachers grade many subjects, many formats, and many kinds of student thinking. Your grading workflow should be built for that reality. With GradingPal, teachers can grade across subjects, support multiple assignment types, give more consistent feedback, and turn grading data into teaching insight. To see how GradingPal can support your classroom workflow, visit www.gradingpal.com.